Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can edit PDF in OnlyOffice. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing you need to do is you need to open the file. So we will go here up into the file and then open. This window will pop up and now you just need to find your PDF where you have saved this document. Then click open and it will open up in your PDF. Now switch from viewing to editing mode. So we will need to use button in the top toolbar or corner right here. So add or edit text, shapes, image, etc. So click on that. And as you can see, now we can basically edit our PDF. Now we can use edit text right here and we can write something. So I will just show you here that hello, as you can see, now we can do some changing text right here. You can also insert page and text box image. You can also image from file. Now we can add image as we want. So now we can basically do whatever we want with this PDF document. So also shapes. I can show you with that one right here. So I can add shapes now, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.